Everyone can spot a breakout, but few ever recognize when selling truly ends. This is how smart money quietly absorbs fear before the reversal. Watch AAPL's chart, from panic to profit, one candle at a time. Late September, the market's still bleeding. Candle 1 closes red at the bottom on steady volume, distribution, not capitulation. Then the next few sessions drift upward, wide green bars, shrinking volume. It looks like recovery, but effort rises while participation fades. That's classic no demand. Smart money sits out while retail chases the bounce. By October 6th, a narrow shooting star closes at the lows, supply still rules. The weak rally is over. On October 7th, price gaps down again, medium red bar, heavier volume. Fear returns. A doji forms on the 10th, selling slows, volume slips. Then two more narrow red bars follow. Each drop covers less ground, and volume contracts. Sellers are running out of ammo. This is the calm before the climax. October 13th. The widest green candle on the chart erupts. Volume explodes to record levels, yet price closes at the top. Retail panic floods the market, and smart money absorbs every share. This is stopping volume. Massive effort with powerful result. The balance shifts. Professionals have taken control. The next day turns red, wide bar, still heavy volume, but notice what changes. Price no longer collapses. Smart money is absorbing supply. Over the following week, the range tightens. Candles shrink, volume stays firm. A narrow green close, a long wick red test, another soft push higher. Every bar screams the same message. Supply is being soaked up, not renewed. This quiet sideways action is where professionals buy what retail just dumped. October 21st. A wide green bar closes at the top with higher volume. The market finally expands on effort. This is the effort to rise, confirmation that smart money is done accumulating and ready to mark price up. The following sessions hold firm. Green candles close at the top on lighter, steady volume. No new supply appears. Strength moves under its own demand. What began as panic now becomes confidence. Exactly how smart money planned it. Here's the full sequence to remember. 1. No demand rallies that fail. 2. A selling climax with stopping volume. 3. An absorption zone of tight, steady bars. 4. A low supply test and effort to rise. 5. Markup with control restored. Screenshot this framework, it's the blueprint of every smart money reversal. When volume screams but price holds, smart money is absorbing fear. Learn to spot the turn before the trend. Compound and conquer.